Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset all file extensions to Microsoft default in Windows 10 PC and laptop. So guys, if you want to reset all file extensions to Microsoft default in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on start, click on settings, click on apps, click on default apps. Here option reset. That. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to reset all file exceptions to Microsoft default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please say this video is useful or not, and share, like and subscribe my channel for latest updates.